Hey guys, it's Hoyam. Welcome to another episode of the Weekend Roundup. The Weekend Roundup is where we tell you about all the coolest stuff happening in Qatar over the weekend. Qatar's Cultural Village Foundation is collaborating with Hanks to bring you a floristry and flower arranging workshop. The workshop runs from 14th to 15th of August, and you can learn all about how to make a beautiful centerpiece arrangement or try your hand-at-hand bouquet arrangements. So hurry up and register because only 20 seats are available per workshop. Did you just get back from holiday? Do you want to keep your kids busy till school starts? Well, Evolution Sports is offering a fantastic opportunity for kids to learn new skills and make new friends. They offer a range of multi-sports that include football, basketball, martial arts, and a lot more. The camp runs till the 23rd of August, so register today and let the fun begin. Still looking for a camp for your children or for activities to participate in as a family? Then make the most of Qatar Foundation's summer activity for the whole family. From baking to swimming, art to football, from movie treats to academic activities, there's something for everyone. All the way up to 30th of August, so make sure to register now! Pump up your shopping experience with the Pearl-Qatar's summer-long water activities for everyone to enjoy. For every 100 Qatari riyals spent in retail shops and restaurants at the Pearl-Qatar, gain access to a range of exciting water activities up until the 31st of August. The Dual Inspirations exhibition at the Fire Station Gallery explores the dual concepts of modernism and the contemporary to bring art lovers an engaging range of artwork that's thought-provoking and inspirational. Visit the gallery anytime before the 1st of October and be prepared to incite your imagination with the diverse approaches of these artists through their works of art. Well, that's it guys for today's episode of the Weekend Roundup. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And before I go, you know the drill. Let me read out some of my favorite comments from my last episode. So we got Ahmed Tariq saying, fantastic info and great events. Love Qatar, shine Qatar. Well, thank you Ahmed. And we got Suhaila Hassan saying, amazing information to know more about Qatar. I love the enthusiasm. Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. If you guys want to know more events happening in Qatar with just one click away, then don't forget to download the Qatar Events app. It's available on both Android and iOS. Also, you can easily subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Just click on the description box below and you're ready to go. And for more details, don't forget to visit our website, iLoveQatar.net. That's a wrap, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!